Do you say, I is a student, or I am a student? Using the wrong word can make your English confusing, but don't worry. Today, we are going to fix that. Hi, everyone. Welcome to Lesson 1 of our Beginner Grammar series. My name is Raja, and today we are learning the most important foundation in the English language, the verb to be. Specifically, we are looking at am, is, and are. We use these three words to talk about names, ages, jobs, and feelings. Let's get started.
The rule. Think of grammar like a puzzle. Certain pieces only fit together. First, we have am. This is very special because it only fits with one word, I. Repeat after me. I am. Next, we have is. We use is for one person or one thing. This includes he, she, and it. Repeat after me. He is. She is. It is. Finally, we have are. We use are for more than one person, or for the word you. This includes you, we, and they. Repeat after me. You are. We are. They are. Let's see this in real-life sentences. To talk about a job, you say, I am a teacher. To talk about a feeling, you say, she is happy. To talk about a location, you say, they are at home. Be careful. A very common mistake is saying they is or I are. Remember the puzzle pieces. They always goes with are and I always goes with am. Practice section. Now let's practice. I will give you a sentence with a blank space. You have 3 seconds to say the correct word, am, is, or are. Number 1. He, hungry. The answer is. He is hungry. Number 2. We, students. The answer is are. We are students. Number 3. I, cold. The answer is am. I am cold.
Excellent job today. You have just taken your first big step towards speaking English correctly. Here is your homework. Write one sentence about yourself in the comments using am, is, or are. For example, I am from Brazil, or I am a student. I will read your comments and help you if you make a mistake. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe so you don't miss Lesson 2, where we will learn about subject pronouns. See you in the next lesson.